How to create an event on Facebook. What's up everyone? Welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to easily create an event on Facebook. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to hit the like and subscribe button. Now, let's begin. So the first thing that you need to do is open up your Facebook and make sure that you're logged into your account. So just tap on the menu icon to open up your settings. Now from here, if you see events right here, you can tap on it, but if you don't see it, tap on see more and you will find it somewhere down here. So just tap on events. To create a new one, you just tap on this plus icon at the top right, and once you do that, you will have to name your event. But before you name it, you can pick any kind of GIF for your background. You can even upload any picture from this given gallery. So you can just choose a plain background like this, or you can even upload media from your gallery. So after that, you can name your event. So I'm just going to name it as New Year's Eve. And then from here, you can choose your start date. And I'm going to do that on December 31st. Tap on set. And on the start time, you can do it somewhere around here, like so. And once you do that, tap on set and tap on done. So once your date and time is fixed, you can choose whether the event will be virtual or in person. If you want to set it in person, you can set a location on the map, or if you want to make it virtual, you can do it via Facebook Live. Export an external link and then tap on others for other sites. So from here, just scroll down now on who can see it. I'm just going to make it public so that everyone can join. And from here, you can tap on done. Now, if you want to add any more details, you can do that. Just choose what you want to add here as your details. And from here, tap on add co-hosts. So if you want to add any of your friends as co-host, you can do that. I'm just going to select these two right here and add as co-host. And from here, if you want to chat with guest, tap on it and you can enable the WhatsApp chat, which will create a WhatsApp group. Now on additional settings, tap on it and you can choose what you want to do. So post must be approved by a host. If you want to turn it on, you can do that. And here are other settings as well. So that's how you basically create an event. And finally, you just tap on this button right here to create an event. So that's pretty much it. If you found this helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe. I will catch you guys on the next one.